There's things about this business that I love, and I think it's a neat time to be in aviation because I'm seeing younger people involved. I'm seeing transitions. I'm seeing the markets change, and so it's kind of neat to be involved in maybe a shift in the industry. So I know what I like, but what do you like about what you do? What do you like about the service you provide, the industry? Just kind of give me in a nutshell what you really enjoy about aviation.
Great question, and one that's a little bit hard to answer because I do like so much of what we do.
Yeah,
I
there's
like
broad
almost
topics,
all
right?
of it. I tell people I think I've figured out the secret to be in this industry. I love what we do. The thing though that's closest and dearest to my heart is the relationships we build with our clients. 15 years of working for stocking aircraft dealers and selling airplanes. We had a great clientele, met great people, some of them famous, some of them cool, but there was always a barrier between me and the buyer because I was selling them something. Being on the other side and representing the client, we build close, trusting relationships with our clients. And that's very important to me, both from the standpoint that these people trust me, right. And but also just from the joy. I mean, we had some wonderful people. Some of my best friends now started out as clients, and those business relationships evolved into friendships. And so that's the part that I like the best, is the fact that we are able to develop these close, meaningful, trusting relationships with our clients and friendships with our clients.
Yeah, I think some people on the outside, or maybe people who may be a little more cynical, forget or don't realize, these people that we're dealing with, they're putting their families in these aircraft.
That's right.
And they're moving across the United States with their loved ones and their friends and their family. That is, I try not to forget that. That's an important part to me, because these people flying are my friends. Yeah. Not only the pilots, but the owners and people they're my friends. So I think it's important that we're doing the right thing by them, and I feel like you have that same feel about it as well.
Absolutely.
And it's not an 8 to 5 by any means.
Nope.
This is basically, if the day ends in Y, we're on.
Yep.
That kind of thing. And people will call all the time because we may fix on 1, 2, or 3 shifts, and whatever holidays off and things like that. But these planes are flying all the time, whatever time zone, to do whatever. Sometimes it's to go for fun, and most of the times it's business stuff all over the place. And something happens, they need somebody they can call and trust.
Yeah, that's right.
I mean, it sounds like a little toot in your horn, but the bottom line is, you have to experience that first. And then all of a sudden it's like, I know that I can pick up the phone Saturday night at 11 o'clock. Hey, something's up. And, well, we got it.
Absolutely.
And it's a very important part of the industry that I don't think is touched on enough, but it's very important.
Yeah. And to key off what you said about these people being our friends, one of the things that I've learned is that aviation attracts really cool, really interesting, really good people. I think I think that in society right now we have a tendency, or should I say, maybe the media has a tendency, or other people have a tendency, to kind of demonize wealthy people that can afford to buy these aircraft that we're talking about. I find the exact opposite to be true. I find these people to be hardworking, salt of the earth, good, wonderful people. And so it's not just me and Tom became friends. Tom's a really good, solid guy. That's why we have that friendship, because he's a good, honest, hardworking, solid guy. And that's special.
And you're right. The people that we deal with, we meet some really, really neat people. We really do. We have an opportunity to do some really cool things and meet some really neat people. And hopefully we never forget that.
Yeah. And obviously we don't talk or brag about who our clients are, but I wish sometimes that I could, because it's interesting. And I'll plug our podcast, if that's okay. We're starting the Talking Jets podcast. That's what the studio that we're sitting in will be, the Talking Jets podcast studio. This little table come out, and a bigger table go in here, and got microphones on booms and stuff. It's going to be really cool. And I hope to encourage some of our clients who don't mind being public to come on the Talking Jets podcast. So hopefully someone that's watching this video will follow us on Instagram at Talking Jets.
Okay.
And get to see how cool some of our clients are.
I know I will. That'd
And
be
some of them
pretty
are your
cool.
clients too. Thank you guys for making it happen.
Yeah, absolutely. And for anyone watching, if you have questions or you want to know more or just in general want to talk to us, we're very accessible people. Please reach out. We'd love to talk to
Absolutely.
you.
We're all over the website at stevensaerospace.com. That's the easy one. And your website?
jetacq.com.
ACQ.com.
ACQ, because no one can spell acquisitions,
No one can.
including me.
I just figured out restaurant 2 years ago how to spell that one. So acquisitions is the other one.
Yeah, I know I would be interested in talking to people, and I'm sure you would be too. But yeah, I'd encourage anyone who wants to, please call us.